John Piaget's theory of cognitive development presents how a child creates a mental model of the world. He believes that cognitive intelligence is not a fixed trait, but rather a process which occurs as a child's biological maturation and his or her interaction with the environment.
Hello everyone, I am Princess Lea Delgad. Today we're learning about pre-operational stage in Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Children in this stage, usually between 2 to 7 years old, are just beginning to use language and symbols, but their thinking skills is still egocentric, intuitive, and not yet logical.
So hello everyone, so I am Katrina Dagsangan and I am going to interview a child. So his name is Zach Benjamin. So he is 7 years old. So now let's go, we're going to interview him.
In John Piaget's theory of cognitive development, the conservation task is used to assess a child's understanding of the principle of conservation. The idea that quantity remains the same despite changes in the shape or appearance of the container or object. And then we have some examples, and one of those is the conservation of liquid. This task typically occurs in the pre-operational stage that ages 2 to 7 years old and is mastered in the concrete operational stage that ages 7 to 11 years old. Our procedure here is that we show the child two different cups with a different amount of water, and then child agrees that both cups have the different amount. Then the water poured into the two different cups, and the measurements of two cups is the first is overflow and the other is only half. Then I, as the interviewer, ask the child, does the taller cup have more water, less water, or the same amount with the other cup? Then the child responds that taller cup has more water than the other cup. In my observations, in pre-operational stage, the child often say the taller cup has more water because they focus only on the height. We also provide other objects and show it to the child for him to identify the measurements of those objects.